Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to wrap up Paper Week with parchment paper. Yes, I talked about parchment paper about 1.5 years ago. Time to revisit it. Parchment paper is great for cooking things where you don't want to have to do a lot of scrubbing on the pans in the oven. Cookie sheets. They also work great for fixing things in foil, so the food doesn't stick to the foil, and you can pull stuff out. Parchment paper is amazing stuff, and I really believe everyone should stockpile it. Now, you can get parchment paper in sheets. You can get it in rolls, and like wax paper and foil comes in different widths. And one of the things we stockpile the parchment paper on, we get the big sheets that fit the full size cake sheets. They use professional cake sheets. We get those for that because, hey, we'll use one of those on our cookie sheets. We'll fold it in half. It fits on the regular cookie sheets that we use here. And then we can put on there the chicken that we're going to cook in the oven, or the salmon, or whatever it is, and it keeps it from sticking to the cookie sheet and makes it easier to remove. And then the cookie sheet, when we pull the parchment paper off, usually it's really clean. All we got to do is give it a light soaping, rinse it, and it's done. Don't got to scour and scrape and clean it and everything. So think about it. If you've never used parchment paper before, test it out. Just get a small roll and test it out and see how well it works for you. All right. So as I take off here, I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, where I do gardening and homesteading. The link to the playlist for prepping for beginners and the playlist for prepping in private. All right. Take care, and I'll see you around.